Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Ang TV show ng ina ko, ina nyo, at ina mo rin. Kasama si Mama Bird at Mama Lloyd.
Good evening, Mama Bird.
Good evening, Mama Lloyd. At good evening sa mga manonood nating mga ina dyan dahil ito ang Ipoking Ina.
So, Mami Bird, ang mahal na naman ng mga bilihin. Para nag-i-inflate na naman ang presyo. This reminds me of...
Something of an Ipoking Ina.
Yung inflationary.
Yan ba yung pagtaas ng presyo ng mga bilihin?
Mami Bird, it's not like the price of pancit canton. The inflationary epoch was a period in the early universe.
Early universe? So it's matagal na? Like luma? Wala na ba yun?
Ma, no. It's like, imagine the universe was very, very tiny. Smaller than a kutsarita.
Smaller than may kutsarita? Impossible.
Oo, kutsarita mo.
At kutsaritang ina nyo rin. Okay,
Then suddenly, it expanded super, super fast. Like a balloon being blown up really, really quickly. That's the inflation part.
So the universe was pampataba, it got bigger and bigger.
But it's not about gaining weight, Ma. It's about expanding space itself.
Space like outer space? Ang layo naman nun, how does that affect the price of ulam?
It's a bit complicated, but basically, this rapid expansion smoothed out the universe, creating the condition for stars, galaxy, and eventually us.
So, if the universe had its inflationary epoch, when will the price of saging deflate? Over.
That's a question for the economist, not the cosmologist.
So, ayun lang yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. At dahil dyan, tumutok ang mga ina natin sa mga susunod pa natin pag-uusapan. Dahil ito ang Ipoking Ina.
While the inflationary epoch remains a mystery to most, its effects are felt throughout the universe, even in the price of saging at the local market. This brought to you by the Munyo Gas Station. Naubos ang gasolina sa Munyo Iparada.